Good afternoon or evening, everyone. Welcome to Conf42 Web 2022, the very first edition of our event around blockchain and crypto. Before we jump in, please make sure to join our Discord server. You can ask questions in the #Web3 channel. This conference is brought to you by Globant, the gold sponsor, and our marvelous media partners. The conference opens with a brief but extremely informative keynote by Filipe Castro, the founder of uTrust, accepting cryptocurrency with confidence today.
Hi, please tune in to my talk on accepting cryptocurrency with confidence today, where I'll be sharing how and why businesses, e-commerce, and others can start accepting cryptocurrency payments with ease, without any kinds of risk or friction, and how this can be a game changer and a low-hanging fruit and revenue opportunity for all those merchants. Looking forward to it. Hope you all enjoy the conference.
Meghana and Ananya and Gowda, security analysts at Deep Armor, come up next in their session attacking Bluetooth LE design and implementation in mobile plus wearables ecosystem. In the next talk, learn how to build on Ethereum quickly and easily with Scaffold with Kevin Jones, Senior Product Manager at Nginx.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today you're going to learn how to build a decentralized application on Ethereum using an awesome toolkit called scaffold-eth. Scaffold-eth has everything you need to rapidly prototype a decentralized Web3 application in minutes. You're going to write some Solidity code. You're going to learn how to spin up your own blockchain on your laptop and ship that application to a testnet. So I'm excited to have you here today, and thank you again for joining.
Andrea D'Intino, the co-founder of Forkbomb, will now introduce you to Zenroom, cryptographic VM for blockchain interoperability.
Hi everyone, this is Andrea from Forkbomb. I'm looking forward to tell you about the Zenroom virtual machine and its ecosystem at the Conf42 Web3 conference.
As the last but not least session today, let me introduce Syed Rehan, Senior Global IoT Developer Evangelist at AWS, presenting Zero Trust Security with IoT.
Hi everyone, super excited to have you join Conf42 Web3 session Zero Trust Security with IoT. In this session, we will look at Zero Trust design principles and how government cybersecurity organizations emphasize on these principles and how AWS, from cybersecurity perspective, gives best practices to follow. We will look at reference architecture diagram used by our customers, and then I will walk you through using AWS Cloud Services on how to apply these Zero Trust principles. And finally, I will share with you AWS created and guided workshop for you to get started and test yourself.
This is all we've got in store for you at Conf42 Web 2022. As per usual, free RSVP is all it takes to unlock the conference content. Many thanks to our speakers, sponsors, and partners for making this first edition possible, and to you, dear viewer, for being with us and attending. We hope to see you in a minute in the Discord server. Please make sure to post all your questions in the #Web3 channel. We hope to see you all in 2023. We have over a dozen events already planned for the next year. That was Mark. Thank you so much and have a great time at Conf42 Web 2022. Cheers!